Welcome back, everybody. There's a first time for everything, and today I'm gonna make a lamb burger. I have my Blackstone Pro Series today. I'm down pretty low because this thing is burning hot. And I say it all the time, just make sure you know your griddle. If you have a 17-inch, you might have to be all the way on high. Pro Series, maybe you're down a little bit lower, but you want to have a searing hot griddle top. There's the lamb burger. I've always been curious. I've seen other Blackstone Griddle pros using lamb meat. I want these patties to be at least 4 ounces or so. 4 or 5 ounces. There we go. Granulated garlic. I like pure granulated garlic or garlic powder. Today I'm using the Mrs. Dash spicy jalapeno. Avocado oil. Wipe it into the entire griddle top so it looks nice and shiny. But be careful, I'm using my bare hands. You might want to use protective gloves. I'm assuming the risk. That's a hot griddle top. Lamb patty, seasoning side down. A little bit of avocado oil on top. A little more granulated garlic and a little more of that salt-free jalapeno. I'm gonna press these down real quick. They are cooking really fast, and we're gonna go in for a flip. Sometimes I'll put a little water down on the griddle top like this, and you can use your hood as a basting cover. If you don't have a hood, you can just use a Blackstone basting cover, or if you only have like maybe a metal pan or something, figure out something that works for you, but it's nice. Trap that steam in there, and you can accelerate the cooking time. And if you're new to griddling, welcome to Griddle Nation. I know we have a lot of new griddlers. Cooking on a griddle, on a Blackstone griddle, is totally different than cooking on an open grated grill. You don't have flare-ups, so you can take your spatula and you can press down for a killer sear, just like they do at diners, because you're not gonna get a fire. And also, if you're new to Griddle Nation, another good tip is to remember that it's interactive cooking. So it's not like cooking in the oven where you put something in the oven at 375 degrees for 25 minutes. So I might cook these burgers, and these patties could take me 8 minutes here on my Pro Series at 7,000 feet in Colorado. But you might be cooking them on a 17-inch griddle in Florida, and they might take you 10 minutes. So just know that. You're just gonna cook things until you see they're done. And maybe you've been cooking on a Blackstone griddle for a long time, but you're only cooking smash burgers. Just know if you're cooking a thicker burger like this, obviously gonna take a lot longer than a smash burger. But the key is to get that killer sear, and then after you flip your patties, feel free to drop the temperature until you get the internal temperature of the patty up to par. For some reason, when I saw this at the deli, it just screamed lamb burger topping. Boar's head, dill, creamy Havarti. Oh, I fold my cheese over, put it down like that so the cheese doesn't completely swallow up the burger patty. And I've been loving these buns lately. The Dave's Killer Bread 21 whole grain and seed. Wait till you see these things. They are beautiful. I like to put a little bit of mayo inside the bun. You could certainly do butter. Makes a huge difference getting those buns toasted and looking golden brown. It's been about a minute and a half. Oh, they're a whole graining, but you can still see that. Toasted to perfection every time on the Blackstone griddle. So you see I'm going retro today. I'm going back to a thicker burger. People always get nervous. My wife gets nervous when I start swinging knives around. Also, I'm always sauteing up my onions, right? But from time to time, I like a big old slice of raw onion. You can garnish these any way you want to. Let's do a little bit of mayo on the bottom, followed by some red leaf lettuce. Check out that cheese skirt. That's bringing back memories from when I used to watch diners, drive-ins, and dives back in the day. Mustard today. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. I like them both. My wife's gonna choose. Kim's behind the camera. We're going with the regular mustard today. And down with those perfectly toasted buns. Take a look at that. I'm pretty darn excited because my first attempt at a lamb burger passes the visual test. Those might be top 5 for most beautiful burgers I have ever cooked. Oh my goodness. It's starting to rain out here, so I gotta be quiet. I gotta start eating. Let's give it a try. If you are new to this channel, my name's Todd. I live in Colorado. I have a family of 8. So even though that looks like a lot of burgers, I'm gonna take this in the house and that'll be swallowed up in about 3 seconds. So thanks for watching, everybody. I sure do appreciate it. Make sure you check out all the other shows on the Blackstone Network. Visit me this year on the Griddle More Tour. You can find out more information on that on Blackstone's social media. And until next time, this is Todd. I'm saying praise the Lord and pass the lamb burger.